Looks great, man. Put the black rims on. Very nice. Look at these. Yeah, you can go outside and tear shit up with these.
Oh, I got a good deal on these too, right?
Yeah.
You got the same ones?
Yeah.
Have you used?
No, I haven't used those yet. Very nice, bro. Very nice. I like these wings.
That's what I tried to do with this one.
Now we gotta keep moving forward.
I have the monster ones too.
Oh yeah, nice. You got body panels.
And I have the green ones for it.
Oh.
The green rims.
Oh yeah. Great
That's
stuff,
why I got
man.
it.
Oh, dude, if you wanted to, you can even load up that chassis
I know.
with it. That roll cage. Very nice.
That's what I was trying to do. Here.
Wow.
I have all this.
This is a nice stick too. Oh, dude, yeah, you got a nice setup
Yeah,
here.
I tried to do
Very nice. Oh, look at that. You got another body here, bro.
another one there.
Holy shit. Oh, man, look at this beauty right here. Now, you haven't used this since the accident, right?
No, the problem, I think I'm going to have a
Look at
problem.
this. This guy put his shirt.
Yeah.
Problem RC shirt.
I'm going to have I think there's a problem with these. I'm going to have to straighten them out.
Oh, yeah,
So
we have to go over them. I remember.
I was touching them
Yeah,
a lot.
yeah.
I think there's a problem with that.
Yeah.
Then I got to change this. Might change the motor,
No, these aren't too bad.
change the filter.
You need the front bumper, the front wing.
That's what I broke.
Yeah, we got to put the wing
I
back
think
on
you
here.
have it, right?
I have an extra one for you, yeah. Yo, but dude, this thing is nice. I can't believe after that accident how this thing.
This stayed all the same. Nothing.
Wow.
The only thing that I got.
No, the wing is straight
The
as
only,
hell.
the only thing I messed up was this
Mine
front
was all
piece
bent and shit.
and this. But I changed the rims. The rims got fucked up.
Bro, this thing is durable as hell, bro. Trust me. I crashed mine like so many times. You know what you gotta do? Get rid of those, put the hub extenders. You get the hub extenders, make it wider, or take those rims and tires out and put some bishops. It will handle night and day. I'm telling you, bro. I love this. I love my dragster, my Primal RC dragster.
Probably change this and this.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
that, we'll see.
Yeah. This,
That'll be a surprise.
you can put this engine, this exhaust, all on a Baja and have fun with it all day long. You know, very nice. Very nice, man. Look at this Primal RC dragster. It's cool, very cool. I like how you cut the box out and put it there.
Yeah.
This is like your Primal RC dragster area, man.
Yeah,
It's nice.
that's
Look at this. You got a chair over here. I'm gonna let me go over here and see what's on. Yeah.
nice.
Look at this, kid. Oh, this. Forget about the bed, man. I'll just stay here. Look at this.
I was gonna put like a little one. I have it downstairs.
Oh, it's a rigid stand. The rigid. Yeah, rigid stand. Cool. Well, that's the one you brought to the racetrack.
Yeah, these things here,
Yeah,
I put the metal things.
Yeah.
I want to cover with something.
Oh yeah.
And cover this with something. Which
Yeah.
I have this here.
Oh yeah. I remember getting those. Yeah, Harbor Freight.
And I bought more today for some reason.
Oh,
I forgot I had.
Dude, that happens to me all the time, bro.
So I figured I was gonna put them on top so
Yeah.
it doesn't ruin the bottom.
Sure.
Because they ruin the bottom.
Very cool, man. Very cool.
All right, what are we gonna open up right now?
Oh my god, look at this, all these shit. Look, I'm gonna keep going around here, man. We're gonna do an unboxing here, guys. Finally, we got TV here.
Yeah.
We got a Harley Davidson helmet there with a cow or a bull there. We got an airplane here. Tell us about this airplane, dude. Styrofoam?
I bought this, and I have another one here.
Yeah, oh nice.
But this is just one of them.
Yeah.
But you gotta be careful with the propellers
Yeah.
because they cut everything, man.
Really?
They cut a piece of wood. I almost cut my leg off, man.
What?
Yeah. I turned it on. I wanted to fly, and the freaking thing would ate. Thank God the chair was there. And
Holy shit,
eat
really?
the chair instead of my leg.
Oh man.
Because when it goes, it goes.
Really? Jeez.
I want to take it upstate and just try to fuck it.
Yeah,
And
man.
I have another one that I got as a gift of one of my clients.
Yeah.
She bought one for herself and one for me.
Wow.
So it's like a red one.
Badass.
It's gonna be a
Very
treasure.
nice.
When I put it together, it's gonna be nice.
Yeah, you don't want me with airplanes, bro. You don't want to be around when I fly.
No, I'm just gonna take it upstate. We have two. Like one day we go upstate and we just take both of them. I don't care if I fuck it up. I gotta use a gift.
Every airplane I fly,
And if I tell my client,
I fly till the batteries die because I can't land.
if my client
crash land,
yeah,
bro.
well, fuck it. My client's like, she probably if
Oh,
I
right
fucks
here.
it up, he'll
This
give
is a
me
nice
another one.
work stand too.
Yeah, I got this as like one of my clients when I bought the canoe.
Yeah.
He had this there. I was like, look, do
Cool.
you want this? He gave it to me, so I put this up on top so I can
Hell
put
yeah,
my
man.
things on top when I'm working on
You
it.
painted that red and the black?
No, it was like that.
Really? Oh, very cool.
I just put this.
Big wheels. I like it. I like it.
So let me put this up for right now. But I'm waiting for the newsstand.
Oh yeah. Sure, we gotta wait for that. Very cool, man.
So.
Yeah. Very cool. Now what we got here, man? What's this? This right here could be a workbench on its own, bro. It's very cool.
I usually
toolbox and workbench.
I work on top of this. I just put this on top today. I'm trying to.
This is your parts holder. Yeah. Oh man, dude, I
no,
love
right
this.
now. Because I had a pegboard here.
Yeah.
But it got all ruined because of the water.
Very cool, bro. Oh, look at the assembly loop, bro. Very cool. This is what we use when we put your 34 together.
I had a hard time getting that.
Very cool. You got the charger, dynamite charger. That's your that's your tool pit bag that you bring out with you
all the time, man.
Yeah, very cool.
I carry everything in here.
Very cool. Got a nice heat gun. Dude, I like these organizers. I really do, man. This is fucking nice, bro. Damn, I could use that.
This is what I used to do for AutoCAD. I used to put all my stuff here.
Your what?
For architecture.
Oh, really? For the architect stuff? You're nice.
I put my files in there, but now I took out my files. Dude. I don't need it anymore, so I use this. So I'm gonna
Dude, right here tools. Would be a nice sick workbench.
I'm gonna go this, do my tools, put everything.
Hell yeah.
Like, organize it. Like, this is just for my Baja. This is for my this.
Yeah.
But
dude,
I'm starting.
These shelves are huge, bro. Bro, this would be like the best workbench and tool bench. It's nice and wide, nice size. You can put so many damn tools here. And I bet you can still put parts here.
Oh, a lot of things.
Wow. Well, this toolbox is nice too.
You see my paper from...
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
That's what I used to use it for. But now I'm going to use it for this.
Very cool.
I have a lot of stuff, you know?
Nice. Very cool.
If you need anything.
Yeah.
That's what friends are for, man, to share and help each other out.
I mean, Brat Brothers.
Well, the other day I bought this and I had and now I got two.
Trust me, you're gonna need it. You're gonna need more.
I figure one for
Yo, what we got here, man? I need that transmission. Jesus, I would have used that on my Baja.
I bought it last year.
Oh,
we went
man.
To New Jersey.
Yeah. Oh, at the RC show.
Yeah, he sold it to me.
Yeah. Bro, guys, I love this. I wish I would have installed this whole setup on my Baja Q. I would have been done with it. But one day in the future, I'll have to do that. Yeah, very nice.
I gotta put this on that.
Yeah. Very nice.
A lot of stuff I gotta put.
I'm running this on my Baja drag car. You know, look at this. Man, you got some goodies here. Oh, let's show people your RB Innovations clutch cooling fan. Very nice. Zat na café, Zat. Track their hobbies. Another guy here that supports his local hobby store.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that, man. Track their hobbies, bro. Oh, dude, you got the aluminum screws kit. I'm sorry, stainless. For the whole 5T, man. Awesome. Got yourself a nice setup. Nice. Futaba. Good. Yeah, man, you're all set, bro.
I got the light.
Oh, shit. Life battery in the house.
That's in New Jersey.
That's right, man. 4,200 milliamp. Look at that. 6.6. Life battery, brother.
Nice filter.
Nice. Very nice. That's going to go good in your Baja, bro. Awesome, bro. Look at these goodies
but
here.
This is the other one you're saying that I bought.
Oh, yes.
But that was
the
for
R2C. Yeah, if I were you, man, I'd put that one right on there.
Oh, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what do you got here?
Another filter.
Clutch bell here. You got another velocity stack. Very nice.
Just in case, you know. You never know.
Another velocity stack. Holy shit. And this is a good tool. I use this a lot now.
Yeah?
Yeah. I use that a lot. Oh, we got a chrome kit here. You could put your 30.5 together with that if you wanted to. I didn't like this pull start, man. I cut my hand on this damn pull start a lot. You can always change that handle.
But I got the
nice. Oh, that's for a nice showpiece, right? Yeah.
Oh,
Very nice.
I got the red one too.
Damn, I see a lot of blue aluminum parts here.
I got blue and red.
Wow. Oh shit, you got reservoirs? Shock reservoirs.
That's
blue.
Something else.
Oh. It can't be for that. That's all red. What do you got blue for?
I don't know. It's a surprise.
Holy. What the heck? You got the carbon fiber disc brakes. Yo, I've been liking mine so far.
Yeah?
Yeah, I run on my Scopod 62X2. What do you got here? A carburetor? Oh, you got a head gasket kit. Very cool.
This one I was trying to change my.
Oh, you got that. Cool, man. You got. Let me put these together.
I got the blue, the red.
Oh, you got outer wires here, man. Shit. You got the MSD wire, blue, MSD wire, red.
I got the screw kit.
5T. Oh, nice skid plates. This is for your.
But I have another one here too.
That's for your Baja.
Yeah.
I like the full force skid plates for that. 5T. You got another TGN, Dark Soul flywheel, hub extenders. Very cool. Another hub extender, red. Cool.
And I had.
Oh, that's so nice.
I think I have the blue ones too, right?
Damn, you got some Velcro.
I never got the blue ones.
Very good. Got bearings, bead locks, green, red, blue. Very nice.
I got the green, but I didn't know because of the.
Gary loves green.
No, I got it because of the.
Damn, you got another. What carb is this? 990.
The old one.
Oh yeah, you put the old one there. Gotcha. That's a 668 stuff. Mm-hmm.
I just kept.
Actually, I don't know what that is. What is this here?
I just kept the old one from that one.
714. Whatever 714 is.
I just kept it. It was good.
Mm-hmm.
But it was
Yeah, it did. It did. Ran. It kicked ass.
too.
Platinum plug. All right, very cool, man. You got some serious goodies here. Very cool. Yeah, man.
Hold
Who's
on.
coming up? Who's coming up? What the? What's up, girls?
Hi, Daddy. In the backyard, the Jenga blocks were all over the floor. We had to go find them. They threw over the fence. Nobody touched them.
Ah,
Also.
Oh really?
wow, you guys claiming that.
Okay.
Yeah, no, we came.
Hi, Chloe.
And then I came. We went to the garage, and then we knocked on the door, and then I knocked.
Okay. Have
This
fun,
is-
right?
this is-
Okay. But can you tell me what
This is our clubhouse here.
No.
This is-
I gotta go. Goodbye.
yeah. What we got here? We see an axe over here. We got some unboxing.
Which one should we unbox? Right?
Let's unbox the RV Blue.
This one?
Oh man, what we got here?
Right?
Zanica Fazan. Man, what we got here? This is blue, huh? Oh snap! This looks familiar, and you're bringing back some memories. Now, this is the same one I got my brother-in-law, Danny, right?
I believe so.
Yes, it is. Wow, dude, my brother-in-law Danny, he has his running, bro. He said it's snappy as hell, even though it's a 27cc engine. He did the intake, he did a 990 carburetor, and he did a pipe on it. He put a Dominator pipe on it. Very nice.
It's the pipe, right?
Oh yeah. Oh, dude, he put the same pipe. He got the same pipe you got. He's happy with it so far, you know, even though it's a 27. I would love to use this engine on my Baja Q, my little shorty midget. Because these engines scream, bro.
I don't know about that.
I don't know about
I
that.
think I gotta set up to the next one.
Yeah, 4 PLS. Oh, no doubt. I don't know about
I
this.
think I gotta put this in eBay. screw that remote.
Hey, you got a nice pipe too, bro. I don't remember you getting a pipe. Very cool. Me either, he says. Says me neither.
I don't know what I
Yo,
got.
very nice Baja, bro. Shit. Yo, I love the body, man. That blue and the black is nice, ain't it?
That's the same blue?
That's the same as Danny's.
Is
Yeah.
it the same blue?
Yeah, bro. I want that body, dude. That thing is
That's nice,
badass.
right? I know it was
Dude, that
this
thing
blue.
is beautiful, bro. Yeah, so what? It's got a
Interesting.
27cc engine.
Uh-oh.
So what? The bitch, she'll scream. Who cares, man? Everybody is like, oh, I gotta get a big engine. Big engine for what, man? You'll have more fun with these small guys. 32, 30.5, you'll have a blast. Big engines too, I'm not gonna lie. But, very nice, dude.
This is how we come.
Very nice. All right, this is what you get with what is this?
I can actually throw the box out.
Wow. Hold on. What is that? A Rovin or a King motor? That's here's the model, guys. Here's the model. Baja 27.5. 2017. We've had it since.
12/12, my birthday.
Wow, 12/12 his birthday.
And I haven't opened it yet.
Wow.
Well, 19.
Very nice, man.
is it.
There it is. A Rovin blue 27.5. All right, if somebody is starting out, man, you cannot beat this platform. You can have a hell of a time starting out, having fun, brapping. If you're new to the gas stuff, right here. All right?
That's what we're gonna do.
And just get yourself a pipe. Please, get yourself a pipe. Get rid of that freaking Get rid of that. Get yourself a pipe. All right. And please get a carburetor, get an intake. But if you're starting out, keep that choke for now. All right, what we got here, man? Yo, hold up, bro. Hold up.
I think we need another.
This is a new. Yeah, we need another drink. Let's take a break. Union break.
Eat that. A little bit of this. I don't know. I'll keep on finishing.
Bro.
What about you, man?
Nah, I'm good, man. I gotta. Oh, that's it.
Yeah, he's off tomorrow. I'm working.
Man, no, I gotta work tomorrow. Tomorrow, guys, is New Year's Eve. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve. If anybody wants to know what today is, man, New Year's Eve. Happy New Year, bro.
Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year.
What's this one now? Baja.
What we got here? What we got here? 2 unboxings in one day, son. Well, hold up. Did you say another Baja? Oh my lord, what the? What we got here? Oh, you got the 30.5. Yes, I remember this. Is there a date on that? Oh, you got the RV 305 AA Black. I love that. There is a date. Yo, I love
9/5
for that, man.
2017.
2017.
How bad is this?
Wow.
How many years is this, man? All this time waiting to open this up?
Yo, better late than never, bro. Better late than never. Remember that. Unbox that with a real axe, bro. This ain't no Xanaca man.